Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to store the important files in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So storing the file is nothing but it's like a bookmarking the URLs in a web browser. Okay. So I am selecting one file, right click. You can see the option called star. Okay, I am clicking that one. So you can see that your file is appearing starred directory, which means I am bookmarking that file, okay, so that it can be accessed very fast. Okay, you can also store multiple files at a time like this. In guy mode, you can see I am storing the files like this. Yes, that's it. Also, you can sort. Okay, you can sort the files. Okay, let me show you another example. So I am going to start this directory. So in star directory, you can see that this directory is appearing. Okay, you can directly go to the directory instead of going to location. If you star that files or directory means you can directly access that files and directory. Make use of this feature. So you can see that I can able to sort the files. Okay, so you can unstar the files like this by just clicking the star. That's it. So make use of this feature so that you can access the files and directories quickly in AlmaLinux.